Hello. So in this particular video, we will see how to create a project inside Flexi domain. So a project in Flexi domain is nothing but your main domain or your application URL that you want to white label with multiple domains. Or you can say, the URL that you want to get overridden with other client or custom domains that you have. So to create a new project, just click on new project, give it a name. So let's say I have a project here. I can give this any name I want. Let's say I want to give this a name as Flexi Demo. And what I want to give here as a domain is I want to, let's say, white label my own website here, which is flexidomain.in. So what I want here is to basically override the URL flexi domain with other multiple client or custom domains so that I can offer my website flexi domain at client domains as well or with other URLs as well. So let me type the URL here, which is flexidomain.in. Okay, so we received a message that our domain is not verified yet. So this is one of the critical step here, and you cannot go and white label any domain present on the internet. You should first of all be the owner of that main URL that you want to white label. So for that, you simply need to provide your ownership or prove your ownership. Simply copy and paste this particular code and go to your website and paste this particular code inside your website header. Once done, you can again start creating the project and it should be created without any issues. So let me copy paste this code inside my website header. Okay, so I have added the code now. Let's try to create a new project now again. I'll give this a name as Flexi Demo. I'll provide the URL here again, which is the URL that I want to white label. Now let me click on save. And as you can see, our main domain or the project domain has been added without any issues, which means our website has been verified. Now, this is how you basically create a project. First of all, in the next coming videos, we will see how we can go and start adding child domains or custom domains inside this particular project.